Hey there, and welcome back to your reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best car accessories you can buy this year to upgrade your ride and make your driving experience even better. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on the latest reviews and recommendations. And don't forget, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's get into it. This PULIDIKI car cleaning gel is an absolute game changer for keeping your car interior spotless. Designed specifically for those hard-to-reach areas, this cleaning gel works wonders on air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and more. It's an essential tool for anyone who takes pride in their car's cleanliness. Using the gel is incredibly easy. Simply push the cleaning gel into the small cracks and crevices, press it slightly, and watch as it picks up all the dust and debris. It's not just limited to your car. This versatile gel is also perfect for cleaning keyboards, laptops, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and other water-resistant surfaces. The high-tech compound is made from natural materials, making it safe for your car and environmentally friendly. What makes this product even more amazing is its reusability. You can use the gel multiple times until it turns black, at which point you'll know it's time to replace it. Just remember not to wash it with water and store it in a cool, dry place after use. It's a must-have cleaning accessory for both men and women who want to keep their cars looking brand new. Next up, we have the Saucemoto Dip Clip, a must-have for fast food lovers. This ingenious in-car sauce holder fits vents of all shapes and sizes, securely holding your sauce in place even through rough driving conditions. It features a 5-in-1 sauce aperture that can accommodate the 4 most common sizes and shapes of sauce containers. Say goodbye to ketchupless fries forever. This dip clip ensures you can enjoy your favorite dips and sauces without making a mess in your car. It's also a fantastic gift idea, making it a perfect stocking stuffer for the sauce enthusiasts in your life. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for safety and tire longevity, and the AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge makes this task a breeze. With its backlit LCD and non-skid grip, this gauge provides instant and accurate readings, eliminating the guesswork associated with analog gauges. The nozzle forms a seal with valve stems on Schrader and Presta valves, ensuring quick and precise measurements in 0.1 increments. The gauge offers 4 settings, including PSI, bar, kilogram force per square centimeter, and kPa, with a range up to 150 psi. It's user-friendly with a simple on, unit, and off button, automatic shutoff to save power, and an ergonomic design suitable for both men and women. It's a versatile tool, perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and more, and it even comes with a battery included. The Avid Power Tire Inflator is a versatile and portable air compressor that is perfect for a variety of inflatables. This 20 volts cordless tire pump is equipped with a rechargeable battery and a 12 volts car power adapter, ensuring you never run out of power while on the road. The digital pressure gauge and auto shutoff feature provide a hassle-free experience. Simply preset your desired pressure and let the compressor do the rest. It will automatically shut off once the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. The tire inflator is designed for fast inflation, capable of inflating a 195/60ths R14 tire in just 3 minutes and a 215/60ths R16 tire in 5 minutes. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, whether placed on the ground or held in hand. The built-in LED light provides illumination in low-light conditions, making it a handy tool for emergencies. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and inflatable pool toys, this tire inflator is a must-have for any vehicle owner. If you love car camping, the HEYTRIP SUV inflatable air mattress is a perfect addition to your gear. Unlike traditional air mattresses made of PVC, this mattress is crafted from durable 600D polyester pongee lining fabric, which is both tough and free from chemical smells. It's resistant to pet claws and wood chips, ensuring a comfortable and safe sleeping surface. The mattress features 2 air chambers, each with its own inflation and deflation port, allowing you to inflate both sides for a full bed or just one side when camping solo. The firmness adjustable valve on each side lets you and your partner customize the firmness for personalized comfort. The included 12V electric air pump inflates the mattress in just 2 minutes, and it packs down easily for storage. Designed to fit around the wheel wells of most SUVs, this mattress maximizes trunk space and fits over 1,800 vehicle models, including popular brands like Subaru, Toyota, Jeep, and Tesla. Each mattress undergoes strict air leak testing before packing, ensuring top quality. Note that it is not suitable for use in high-altitude areas. Finally, we have the ESR MagSafe car mount charger with CryoBoost, the ultimate charging solution for your iPhone. This magnetic wireless charger combines a phone cooling fan and heat-dissipating technology to keep your phone cool while charging, ensuring maximum charging speeds. It's designed for fast magnetic charging and requires an 18W plus power adapter for optimal performance, not included. The powerful magnets provide 1,400 grams of holding force, securing your phone even on bumpy roads. The charger is compatible with iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series phones, and it works best when used with a halo lock case for an even stronger magnetic hold. The adjustable ball joint allows for a wide range of viewing angles, making navigation easy and comfortable. That's it for our detailed review of the top 6 car accessories. Each of these products offers unique features that can significantly enhance your driving experience. Whether you're looking to keep your car clean, maintain your tires, enjoy your sauces, or camp comfortably, these accessories have got you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to purchase these amazing products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.